In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit vertical and horizontal versions fast in CapCut, quickly and easily. Whether you're creating content for YouTube or TikTok, knowing how to efficiently convert your project into both formats can save you time and enhance your reach. Let's dive right in. Firstly, the key to working efficiently is to duplicate your project. By doing this, you'll have two separate versions to work with, one where you can create a horizontal video, and another for your vertical format. It's really straightforward. Simply navigate to your project file and select Duplicate. Doing so will ensure that any modifications you make won't disrupt your original content, giving you the freedom to experiment and adjust. Next, let's talk about setting your canvas sizes. For the horizontal version, you're going to set your canvas to a 16:9 ratio, which is the standard for platforms like YouTube. On the other hand, for the vertical version, you'll switch it to a 9:16 canvas, perfect for TikTok and Instagram stories. Adjusting these settings is essential as it directly affects how your video content will be displayed on different platforms. Always double-check to ensure you're working within the correct dimensions for each version. Now it's time to adjust the framing in each version by using the scale and position tools. These features in CapCut allow you to reorient and resize your video clips so they fit perfectly within the chosen frame sizes. Play around with these tools to ensure your main subject is well-centered and nothing important is accidentally cropped out. Think of this as your opportunity to creatively align your visuals to match the platform's viewing style, as well as your own artistic vision. Keeping consistency is crucial, especially with animations and cuts, which brings us to the next important step. Copy keyframes from one project to another. This action ensures that any movements, transitions, or effects you meticulously designed in one project translate seamlessly into the other version. Consistency will help maintain the professional quality of your content across different platforms. Finally, once you are satisfied with both versions of your video, it's time to export them. Be sure to name each file appropriately, such as appending YT for YouTube and TT for TikTok at the end of the file name so you can easily distinguish between the two. Now you're ready to share your work on both platforms. And there you have it. A quick and easy method to create both vertical and horizontal versions of your video in CapCut. Enhancing your video's versatility and outreach with minimal effort. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to hit like, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like a tutorial on. See you in the next video.